Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Indianapolis. I'm so delighted to bring you greetings on behalf of your American Baptist brothers and sisters, and from our General Secretary, Reverend Dr. Lee Spitzer. And in particular, to bring you greetings right here from Indianapolis as I work with American Baptist churches here in the greater Indianapolis area. It's my pleasure to call Indiana Chin Baptist Church, Chin Evangelical Baptist Church, and members of ABCGI. And so I'm so pleased to be here with you for worship today, and I'll be here again tomorrow afternoon. Last year, I had the privilege of going to Hakka for the very first time. Yes. And so now I know the beauty of those Chin Hills and the thrill of what those first American Baptist missionaries who went to your homeland must have felt as they saw the beauty of those rugged, rugged peaks and incredible valleys. Of course, you who have been on that road from Kalemio to Hakka know exactly what I'm talking about. It plunges down the side of the hill. But I'm especially glad to be here to welcome CBCUSA because you are our partners here in ministry here in the United States. And as that, I am so thankful for the ministry that you are doing here in the United States and around the globe, particularly to help the Chin people. It's my pleasure as an American Baptist to continue the advocacy and partnership that we have with the Chin people. I serve on our Burma Refugee Commission, and I have been very active in working for refugees and the status of the Chin and other ethnic minorities in Burma as well as here in the United States. In March, when my husband Jay and I had the pleasure of being in Burma once again, we met with the U.S. Ambassador, Scott Marcial, to talk about the issues that you all face. And as your prayers go up for the people back in Chin State, know that ours go with you as well. This coming January, I will be part of a group with Reverend Leslie Turley of our international ministries, who will be going first to Malaysia to look at the status of the Chin and Kachin refugees who were there. Then we'll be going to Burma, and we're going to the Karen state to be able to talk about the repatriation of the Karen. And then our goal is to spend time again in Yangon, meeting with government officials, both US and Myanmar, who can help open doors for peace, who can help us work towards justice, who can help with the economic struggles that you all face in your homeland. So know that while you are here gathered, we as American Baptists consider ourselves your partners in work with the Chin people. Even though we no longer have American Baptist missionaries in the Chin state, we are still partners with you. It's our prayer that this weekend be a time of great encouragement for you all as you gather, and our prayers go with you during this time and for your ministry. Thank you very much. Kalom.